Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another race. Today is Sunday, April 7, I guess. So today is a 250 miles race. Wind a little bit from east right now here. No wind at the release, and then wind from northeast and east, but not much. Right now it's probably 4 miles, at times 7, but beautiful day for a race. So let's check the clock. Like I said, 250 miles, 246 miles for me. Let's check the clock. Beautiful day. Let's check the clock, the speed. So last week I got around 89 plays on the combine, combining results with the North Carolina Tar Heel club. Let's check the clock. Okay, speed shows 1600s, so they kind of close. Like I said, beautiful day. I could not ask for a better day for race. So today probably no advantage for anybody. So let's wait for the burst. Not much to show inside the loft, so let's wait for the burst, guys. See you in a bit. Hey guys, we got, I guess, 3, I'm not sure, at least 2 white flights. I don't think that's mine. 4 actually. There's one over there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 out of 4, other 2 left. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we got the first 2. Okay, so let's check the speed. 1443, and I just checked Benzing Life. I'm the first one, but I'm 246 miles on the short end, 200 miles, and on the long end, which is all the way to Greensboro, I think it's 340 miles for them. So let's wait. Come on. I think that's number 4. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. I think that's number 6. Come on. Come on. That one did not scan. He has a chip on the right leg. And he stepped on the last one. And it's the old chips. The new chips, they can clock right away, even a couple inches off the pad. But these ones not. But I have to go inside and put it on top of the pad. These two land on the other side of the loft, probably because of the settling cage right there. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Probably that one on mine. Don't go. I don't know. Maybe. Probably not mine. Come on. Okay, one went in. Probably that one not mine. Come on, come on. Yeah, I think the second one is not mine. It's still here. Come on. Come on. That one has something on his neck. Yeah, not mine. That's number 11. Okay guys, so let's go with the results. Probably I'll close the video right here. Let me check the speed of the clock. I think she clocked last race first right here, but she was on X. Now not anymore. All right guys, so I got 11 so far. It's 148 and the speed, let me see, the speed shows 1176 right now. So let's go with the results and I'll let you know how many birds at the end of the day I got. I sent 20, I got 11 so far. All right guys, let's go with the results. Come on. Okay guys, here's the results of today's race from Brunswick, Georgia. Birds were released at 7:40 a.m. 12 guys with Benzing live, 270 birds, probably around 320 birds total. And on the short end, a guy has 200 miles. On the long end, a guy has 340 miles. So let's go with the results. So far I'm on top with 1443 the speed, and then Mr. Hugh with 1414, and then Matt Ruthio with the speed of 1349. So let's go with the arrivals of the birds. So I got 1 and 2 with the speed of 1443, 491, both of them with the same speed. And then I got place on number 6, number 9, 12, and 13. And then from 14 and down, the guys from North Carolina start clocking. So see this guy has the speed of 1307, but the miles 322, and the next guy has the same speed, 1307, with the miles of 339 miles. So big difference, like between me and them, almost 80 miles and almost 100 miles more than me, and 140 miles more than the guy in the short end with only 200 miles. So I think a little bit of advantage on that, because I mean 1307 is a good speed, being almost 100 miles more, 80 miles and 100 miles more than me. And with that speed, I think is really good speed, because 100 miles more, they cannot keep the same speed, obviously. I think they did really good with that speed, with those mileage. So let's go with the results again. And then I got bird on 23rd, and all these guys are from North Carolina already. I got place on 40 and on and on. So happy with the results. I sent 20, I got 19. Like around 4 already got the 19. So probably tomorrow I'll get the last one, same as last week. I sent the 20, the same birds, and I got all of them back, one on the next day. But hopefully he can make it. So let's go again with maps. So here's the maps of the loft again. So we released from Brunswick, and then they have to go all the way up to South Carolina and North Carolina. Next week we're gonna have our race from Jacksonville, Florida, 300 miles for me it's 300 miles. We'll see next week how the birds do. All right, guys, so for now, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next week. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.